So we have omega naught equals to 1. This implies we have second root omega square plus omega square equals to 1. So if we convert omega 4 into omega square, this is to the power n. So omega square is what? 1 plus minus omega minus 1 whole square to the power n. This is 1 plus omega square plus 1 plus 2 omega. This is to the power n. We know that omega square plus omega plus 1 is 0. So this is simply omega plus 1 to the power n. And next side we have omega square plus 1 is minus omega to the power n. Least integral value. Then we will have to go like this way. Omega plus 1 is what? Minus omega square minus 1 to the power n omega 2n. And here it is what? Minus 1 to the power n omega n. So we have omega n minus 1 equals to 0. So omega n is 0. Omega can't be equals to 0. So omega n is equals to 1. So n is what? 3. The least possible value. Because we have omega cube equals to 1. So this is the answer.